Now very quick tutorial how to transform this application for offline usage. So we see here that in case we have an error, we can write the code here, and we will have an error if we don't have internet. So let's log this with no error, no internet. But if we have internet, let's store this rate, and we store it using shared preferences, and we just write shared preferences, get shared preferences, and we have to give it a name, and 0. And we also need an editor for this. I'm not gonna explain it, just copy paste. And with this return, we do like this editor, put string rate, and value, and editor commit at the end. Okay, but what rate are we storing in the memory? Just every rate? No, let's just use the URL for the identifier for the storing in memory of the rate. So if there is internet, we get the rate from the JSON and we store it in the memory with an identifier that is the URL. And let's just notify the user that we stored in memory. Okay, notify us. Okay, if there is no internet, let's get this stored value, and we get stored values from shared preferences like this. We declare it again, a value from memory, get string URL, which is this URL, and the value, default value. Now let's test if there is indeed in memory. So if value from memory, length memory, if it isn't in memory and it takes this string value from memory, takes the default value that has length 0, let's notify the user that it has to run at least one time. You have to run it at least one time with internet to be able to use offline mode. But if we have a value from memory, just like this, copy paste, we don't need to store it, the rate we get it from memory, so double value of value from memory, which is a string, and with this simple code we just transformed our application to be able to be used in offline mode. Let's go ahead and test it. cut the internet of this application. You see here we store it in memory every time we make a request. To cut it, we just select the emulator from devices, this monitor, and data, click denied. And now let's try it again. And it's working just fine. In case you don't have a value, it will tell you you have to run it at least one time. And this is how you transform it in for offline mode. Now, as a homework that I'm not gonna do it after, you have to do it yourself, is to make a switch button here. So between these two spinners, let's just put a toggle switch. Actually, let's put it as a button. And what this button will do is inverse these values. So from currency to currency will come each one, just inverse them, and you have to write the logic for this alone. I'm gonna let you do it alone. In case you can't do it, don't worry, just watch the next tutorial, and in 2-3 tutorials you'll be able to do it alone. Good luck, and I wait you on the next one.